Hello YouTube, this is Jerry D from Tennessee. Follow me and my dogs and see what kind of activities we can get into. I'm just a pet owner, a dog owner, and just trying to learn a little bit of how to train my dogs for simple obedience, and we may learn a few tricks in the process. But thank you for visiting my channel. Please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up if you like the channel, like the videos, and also visit my blogs, which I'll have links in my videos, below my videos for my blogs. Thanks for visiting. Bye.